Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. Start now. Install Kvantum and Kvantum Manager with your package tool, then place the theme directory into /. Config /kvantum or /usr/share/kvantum so Kvantum can see it. Once done, launch Kvantum Manager and select the theme file labeled Kvantum Engine. Press Apply. This immediately loads the theme into the Kvantum engine, letting you preview changes. Make sure to keep the manager open while you test. This speeds up iterative tweaks and avoids reloading the whole desktop. Now customize the middle details. Open the Kvantum theme file and change color roles, radii, margins, and widget states so controls render how you want. You can edit. SVG assets for buttons, sliders, and checkboxes replace files in the theme folder but keep backups. Once you save edits, use Kvantum Manager's preview and reload to see results live. This avoids session restarts. If you need fine control, tweak alpha values or shadow offsets in small steps, then reload to verify visual balance and contrast. Finish by applying Kvantum system-wide. Set Kvantum as the Qt theme in your DE settings, or use Qt5CT/Qt6CT to select it. Then log out and back in, or restart affected Qt applications to guarantee every widget picks up the engine. If something looks broken, one key troubleshooting tip. Run Kvantum Manager from a terminal to capture error messages, check file permissions and ownership for theme files, and restore your backup if required. This sequence ensures a clean, recoverable workflow and predictable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.